So you probably came here because you wanted to see how the OfferUp and Letgo bot works. So let's just hop right into it. Once I click start, you can see here I just posted 3 listings on 3 accounts. On this account, the first account right here, sorry about the status update, this account's currently inactive, that's why it's making this error. But if you see right here, I have this post time set up to every 3 minutes. And on this, I believe it's every 15 minutes. So what it does is every 3 minutes on OfferUp 1650, it's going to post the first post it's set to post, whatever I set in create listing. So for example, over here, for OfferUp 1650, as you can see here, I set it to post this message. And the second post is this message, and the third post was this message. So what it's going to do is every 3 minutes, it's going to first post this one, secondly post this one, third post this one. And simultaneously at the same time, this is also set to post. I put the same information here just to show something, but I'll talk about that later. You see over here, I posted this account, and this account. So what it's going to do is, it's going to post those 3 images every 15 minutes. Same thing with the third one. So I'm able to use multiple accounts. I can come here, put in a zip code, change my zip code, put pictures. So for example, we have this picture folder called Buy One. Whatever pictures I put in this folder Buy One, it's going to upload onto OfferUp. I believe on OfferUp you're able to put up to 10 photos. So you're able to list all 10 photos and put it in this one folder, and whatever's in that folder it's going to upload. So what you'll be able to see here is you'll be able to simultaneously post multiple listings and post within different time periods. So let's say you want one account to post in 10 minutes, one account in 15, and it's going to go on and run through whichever post, how many ever posts you load up. So right here I loaded 7 posts, it's going to load up all 7 posts on one account. So let's get into some of the features of the bot. If you look here on this one, I have selected archive before posting. If you remember from earlier, I've only selected these 3 listings to be in OfferUp 1650. What it's going to do is it's first going to post these 3 every 3 minutes, because that's what I selected over here. It's post every 3 minutes. And as soon as it's done, this is basically saying archive iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus before posting it again. So on the 4th post, when the cycle's over, it's supposed to post this. But before doing that, archive it. This is done for many reasons, to kind of avoid detection, to stay on top of the OfferUp listings that show up in most recents. So if you look here, you'll see this button right here is an update button. If you look closely, when I come here and click Control C, this changes to add. And if I come over here and select OfferUp 95386, select a different account, I can just add this post right into a different account. What that allows you to do is just create duplicate listings. So if you want this first on OfferUp 1650 and then again on OfferUp 95386, you're able to do so. And this is helpful if, let's say, for example, you're in the Los Angeles area and you want to post in Anaheim at the same time in Santa Clarita and the same time at Irvine. So what you just do over here is you come here and you just change the zip code. Let's say you want to change the title a little bit, add a couple exclamation marks, maybe just completely remove this, and maybe even change the setting of wherever the pictures are. You're able to do that without actually having to go through a lot of work to recreate all the posts and retype everything. So those are the basic features of the OfferUp bot. So you might be wondering, like, a little bit about myself. So I work with companies who use OfferUp and Letgo to sell their products. Whether it's car dealers, furniture, or iPhones, everyone asks, like, how does this really help? Well, first of all, your posts are more consistent. Whenever you don't post on OfferUp, I'm sure you don't get business. And when you're constantly posting, your posts are constantly on top. So by loading your inventory one time and just clicking start, you're able to let the software automatically post for you 24/7. And you won't need to go in every day manually taking pictures and manually posting. You won't have to do that anymore. So a little bit about where we uploaded our software. We uploaded our software on Teachable. Teachable is a site where you can kind of buy courses, and since ours is a software, what we're able to do is we're able to kind of upload the videos that we have, like the tips and tricks that we have for using OfferUp and LetGo, like the SEO, the picture sizing, how to avoid getting banned, how to avoid detection, how to outperform your competitors. At the end of the day, we work with a lot of companies that are in the car space, the furniture space, the iPhone space, so we've learned a lot of tips and tricks along the way, and it will be really helpful. So our software costs $250 a month. Depending on the size of your business, it's a pretty simple purchase, because if you post today and you actually do get business, you'll realize you will actually not be able to post consistently throughout your day. Especially like this, where we went over the example, how you can post 3 listings in a matter of 15 minutes, whatever you set it to, and you're using multiple accounts, and you'll be able to post in multiple areas. And also that software also will work on LetGo, and LetGo is the same exact kind of features. You select your account, the name, the price, everything. It's a separate application. You load all your software the exact same. All your listings the exact same. So once you've actually purchased our course on Teachable, just please email right here. In the subject, put I paid the download request, and we'll get back to you with the download request. And if you need any help and any questions, please feel free to email us as well. Thank you, and I appreciate it.